Hello everyone. Welcome back to Better Homes Designs, the place where we turn architectural dreams into reality. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Today, we are diving into a topic that is revolutionizing the construction industry: prefab concrete house design. If you've ever wanted a home that is incredibly durable, sustainable, and built in half the time of a traditional house, this is for you. Prefab concrete house design refers to a construction method where the primary structural components, such as walls, floors, and roof panels, are manufactured in a controlled factory environment before being transported to the building site for final assembly. These components are made from precast concrete, which is poured into reusable molds and cured under optimal conditions to ensure maximum strength and consistency. Unlike traditional stick-built homes or cast-in-place concrete, prefab designs allow for precision engineering, reducing human error and material waste during the build process. Having a prefab concrete home offers a unique combination of speed, durability, and energy efficiency. Because the panels are made in a factory, construction is not delayed by weather, allowing for a significantly faster turnaround from foundation to move-in day. Concrete is inherently resistant to fire, pests, and extreme weather conditions like hurricanes or heavy snow, providing a level of safety and longevity that few other materials can match. Furthermore, concrete has excellent thermal mass properties, meaning it naturally helps regulate indoor temperatures, keeping you cool in the summer and warm in the winter, which leads to lower long-term energy costs. Decorating the exterior of a prefab concrete house is all about balancing the industrial strength of the material with warmth and texture to create a welcoming curb appeal. To make your design look good, consider integrating natural elements like timber cladding or stone accents, which break up the solid concrete surfaces and add organic contrast. Large-scale glass windows and sliding doors are essential for modern concrete homes, as they introduce transparency and light to an otherwise heavy material. Strategic lighting, such as warm LED strips along the roofline or uplighting on textured concrete walls, can transform the home's appearance at night, making it look sophisticated and luxurious. Finally, lush landscaping with ornamental grasses or architectural plants like agaves can soften the sharp lines of the structure and ground the house into its environment. The best styles for prefab concrete houses often lean into the material's natural strengths: clean lines, large spans, and a sense of permanence. Modern minimalism is perhaps the most popular choice, focusing on less is more with raw concrete finishes, flat roofs, and hidden structural elements. For those who want something a bit warmer, the modern organic style combines concrete with extensive wood and greenery to create a spa-like residential retreat. Additionally, industrial chic is a fantastic fit, utilizing the exposed concrete as a design feature alongside steel beams and black-framed windows. Whether you prefer the sharp angles of a contemporary fortress or the airy feel of a glass-walled pavilion, prefab concrete provides the structural freedom to achieve your vision. Now for the moment you've been waiting for. Let's walk through the top 10 best prefab concrete house design ideas and pull out the best design elements from each one that showcase the potential of this building method. One, the floating monolith. This striking design features a cantilevered upper floor with wood-textured panels that contrast beautifully against the dark, grounded lower level and the sparkling blue of the poolside terrace. 2. Desert Oasis Pavilion. A masterpiece of earth-tone concrete that blends seamlessly with xeriscaping, featuring deep recessed windows and a central courtyard that invites the outdoors in. 3. Tropical brutalist luxury. This design uses massive dark concrete slabs and stone masonry walls to create a fortress-like privacy, softened by lush banana leaves and a sprawling wraparound pool. 4. The illuminated minimalist. This evening shot showcases how integrated LED strip lighting can define the sharp geometry of a white prefab concrete structure, making it glow against the twilight sky. 5. Mid-century concrete fusion. A long, horizontal design that pays homage to mid-century aesthetics, featuring a sheltered upper balcony and warm timber garage doors that balance the cool gray concrete. 6. The cantilevered lookout. Featuring a bold second-story overhang, this home uses vertical gray siding to add height and interest to a modular concrete layout, perfect for maximizing views. 7. Geometric glass house. A stunning example of how prefab concrete can support massive glass walls, creating a seamless transition between the luxury interior and the outdoor living space. 8. The angular edge. This design breaks away from the box with a dramatic sloping roofline and slanted side walls, proving that concrete can be incredibly dynamic and artistic. 9. Contemporary courtyard villa. A sophisticated multi-level home that uses large format concrete tiles and expansive glazing to create a bright, open atmosphere overlooking a pristine pool area. 10. Industrial Zen retreat. This design highlights the raw beauty of board-formed concrete and large wooden pivot doors, creating a home that feels both incredibly secure and deeply connected to nature. Prefab concrete is no longer just for commercial buildings or parking garages. It is the foundation for some of the world's most beautiful and sustainable modern homes. By choosing prefab, you are investing in a structure that will stand the test of time while offering unparalleled design flexibility. We hope these ideas have inspired you to think differently about what is possible with precast construction. If you enjoyed this tour of prefab concrete house designs, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Better Homes Designs for more daily inspiration on modern architecture and home styling. Let us know in the comments which of the 10 designs was your favorite. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.